guys, welcome back to my channel. So this video is really quick. I'm just here announcing who the winner was of my birthday giveaway. And before I get to who the winner was, I just wanted to say that I read all of your guys' comments and I really thought you guys were so sweet. A lot of you guys wanted to donate hats and stuff for homeless, and I just thought that was really sweet of you guys. And even if you just wanted to make something for yourself, thank you for taking the time to write a comment. So yeah, I just wanted to say that real quick. I really appreciate you guys. Thank you for watching my videos and following my tutorials, and I hope you stick around. So yeah, on the next slide I will announce who the winner was. So congratulations. Okay, so I'm here just starting the random picker. And the winner is Value One Lady. Congratulations. So please get back to me on my email. I will leave all the info in the description box. Bye, guys.